Hi student, we continue chapter 1.3 AC circuit. Okay, 1.3 is a phasor representation of sinusoids. Okay, at the end of the chapter, you should understand the concept of phasor and its application in AC circuit. Okay, the complex number, okay, from the polar form, you know how the equation look like. Okay, you have polar and you have the rectangular here. Okay, from the trigonometric trigonometric, okay, the graphical here. Okay, you know where is x is horizontal, y is vertical part, z is a hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse, sorry, hypotenuse. Okay, so the equation here, x is real part, y is imaginary part. How to get the magnitude of z? You do the calculation of x to the power of 2 and y plus y to the power of 2. Then you do the set of this both addition. Okay, then you can get the magnitude of the either polar or rectangular form, the value lah. Okay, so how to get the angle? Okay, this one, the angle theta. Okay, you can do sine theta, tangent theta. Okay, and you can have an option from this equation. Theta equals to tangent y over x. Okay, here. Okay, so mathematical operation of complex number we already done before. Here is the manual how to do the addition. Okay, by manually how to do the addition, subtraction here. Okay, you can save this method, okay, by using your calculator. Okay, so here you can, but okay, you have an option, okay, by using this manual how to do the division, multiplication, but I'm not really suggest to you, okay, by using manual calculation. Just direct use the calculator. Okay, so here the example. Okay, I show you how to just the revise of the chapter 0, how to do the multiplication, the subtraction or the conjugate issue of the star here. Okay, in your calculation by calculator lah. Okay, so here you can read and you can do the revision. Okay, how I get at the end of the answer here. Okay, by doing this, the most important thing, you know how to bracket, okay, your equation here, okay, by using the calculator. Okay, don't forget you must bracket first your equation, okay, before, okay, you push your calculator to get the answer. Okay, next. Okay, next is, okay, now a phasor is the complex number. You have the equation, for example, here actually here Vt, okay, Vt equals to Vm cos omega t plus phi. Okay, here represent a cosine function. Okay, so we convert into polar form like this. Okay, we convert into exponential form like this. We convert into rectangular form from the trigonometric form like this. Okay, so the example I show you here, you have Vt, okay, you have Vt equals to 12 cos in the bracket 3770 minus 60 degrees. Okay, in polar form directly you can get from the magnitude and the angle here. Angle is minus 60 degrees. From the exponential form, okay, you can write like this. Okay, and from your calculator, okay, from the polar form you can convert by using your calculator, then you can get the rectangular form value here. Okay, then another option you can get, okay, the rectangular form, okay, from the trigonometric function. You convert first from the polar 12 angle minus 60 degrees in two trigonometric equation, 12 cos theta plus j in bracket 12 sin theta. Okay, this will cover in the next chapter of I think chapter 2 or 3 lah. Okay, so you should know, okay, how they look like in trigonometric function, cos and sine. Okay, so this is just example. Okay, now we have one example here. The question, okay, given to you, okay, the rectangular form 6 minus j 10.392. Okay, x is a real part, okay, is 6, okay. The imaginary part, okay, we have minus 10.392. Okay, how to get the magnitude? Okay, how to get the magnitude? You do the set of x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2. Okay, the real part 6 to the power of 2 plus the imaginary part. Okay, you do the calculation, then you can get the answer is 12. Okay, approximately 12. Then how to get the angle? Angle is tangent arctangent y over x. Just put the value of y over x, so you can get the angle between the hypotenuse. Sorry, the angle of this trigonometry of this equation of phasor. You get 90-60 degrees. So in polar form, directly you can get 12. The angle is minus 60 degrees. So from the trigonometric also you can get, okay, the phasor equation, and the very easy way, okay, you can get by using your calculator. This just a view, how to get a view how to get another form. Sorry, another form. How to get another way to find the phasor. Okay. Actually, okay, when you do the conversion, okay, from time domain to phasor domain here, okay, you have the time domain equation Vt equals to Vm cos in bracket omega t plus phi, and you convert to phasor only write the magnitude Vm and the phase angle here, Vm and the phase angle, and more important thing, okay, in time domain, it must represent in cos. Okay, when you see your equation in sine function, you must convert first that equation in cosine. Then you convert to phasor domain. Okay, here sinusoid phasor transformation. Okay, when you have the time domain representation as Vm cos omega t plus phi, directly you can get the magnitude and the phase angle. Here the second example, we have Vm sine omega t plus phi. Then you must subtract first your equation by minus 90 degrees. Alright, same as current, and the next is current. Same, you just do the same method, okay, by doing the conversion of when you see the sine equation here. Okay, phasor will be defined from the cosine function in all our preceding study. Alright, so time domain, I'm stressed back, time domain represent as Vt cos in bracket 377t plus 60 degrees. This is example. Alright, so we convert to phasor domain, we just get the value of 12 as an amplitude here, okay, as your magnitude. Okay, next the phase difference here as your angle for the phasor domain. Okay, before, okay, not that, before transform to phasor domain in polar form, make sure the time domain is in cosine function, okay, at the current or voltage, which positive amplitude. Alright, this is a keyword. Alright, okay, this example when you have the cosine function or sine, sorry, when you have sine function, okay, for example here, okay, you have Vt equals to Vm sine omega t plus 10 degrees. when you want to transform to phasor, okay, make sure first you convert this sine function, okay, into cos. How to convert? You must do from the previous, you must subtract which 90 degrees, the angle, the phase different, okay. So when you put the equation, okay, do the subtraction, you get the answer is minus 80 degrees. The last one, yes, from the here, okay, the final answer of your angle, sorry, your phase difference, yes, you can get this as your angle of your phasor. Okay, make sure you find first, okay, you convert first. When you see the sine equation, you convert first to cos, okay, then barulah, okay, then you can next do the phasor domain representation. All right.